would you bet on you? So in your life, you have seasons, right? You have good seasons, bad seasons, medium and medium low. And would you bet on you in these periods? Would you bet on you when the sun is shining, when it's good times? Would you bet on you that you would win? And would you bet on you when there's a bad season, when it's winter, when things are not going as well, that you don't mess up, that you don't slack in discipline, that you don't gain 20 kilos, that you don't fall off? So what I learned is that in good seasons, you must aim to win. And this is mostly in summer, in spring, maybe in fall. But in winter, you should not try to lose. So stay in the course. Don't try to fall off too much. Don't gain too much weight. Don't lose too much money. Don't slack off with dating if that is something that you're working on. So that is something I learned. So in winter season, it's all about keeping it together. And when the main season starts, it's all about winning. And you need discipline in both times during the year. And that's how you really excel. So the gym, important. Dating, important. And finances, same thing. You have seasons where you attack, and you have seasons when you study and where you analyze your market, when you network, where you actually get involved with people. All right. So hopefully I got something going for you in this video. I wanted to share with you the connections between athleticism and the normal life that we are all having. And hopefully you relate to this video. And if you like it, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.